Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm working on day 28 of my December daily. To be honest with you, I've been working on this for like 2 or 3 days, trying to figure out what I want to do. I've pretty much got it all narrowed down, as you can see. It's not glued or anything. I just need to put it all together, but this is kind of what I wanted to just walk you through. So I wanted to just tell a story about the kitties and use a few photos that I really loved. And I thought it would be fun to take this one, which is one of the 4x6 cards from the main kit, and blow it up with the photo inside. It ends up not being dimensionally wise full height, obviously. So it's just about 7.5 inches tall, still 11 inches wide. These papers are a little wider than 11 inches. So I just deleted the inside of the card, added my photo, dropped that into place. And then I also had printed out, originally my plan was just to add this photo as a 3x4 and this photo as a 3x4 with like nothing else. And I figured I would find some embellishments and stuff to add to it. But the problem was, as cute and darling as these photos were, I was having a really hard time tying these two layouts together. So even though I had picked this striped pattern paper to like help make this a full 8.5 by 11, or sorry, 8.25 by 11, you know, because it pulls in this cream color, that wasn't like enough. So then I said, okay, I'll add some extra 2x2s. That didn't really do anything. It just looked so plain. There was like nothing tying these together. And I had this great set of embellishments that I really liked, but I couldn't find stuff that I really enjoyed putting over here. So finally I decided that what probably would work is if I reprinted these photos and put them into the frames to make everything look like it was framed, and that would hopefully help tie it in. And once I did that, it actually did make a big difference. So these are not true 3x4s because they're 4x6s shrunk down, but I was able to add these in. These are 2.5s, sorry, 2.25s that I cropped out. And then I originally had this, it's hard to see, it's green on green, I know. This is from the Paisley Press kit. It's a wood piece. I originally had that over here, but I realized that if I was going to have 2 pieces of red, I needed some red over here. So I found this color cast designed ampersand with all this awesome red on it. And I thought, you know, it's all about the 2 of these kitties, so the and sign would be cute. So I'm really happy with how this came out. I just kind of kept playing until it felt balanced. So I've got my number 28 here. I have an around here die cut. I think this is my last one of the hearts, but it's perfect because it's not necessarily Christmas themed. I have just the 2 of us from the Paisley Press puppy stickers set. That's this set right here. I have one of the love die cuts. Again, not Christmassy, so that works out really well. This is a die cut from the 2021 collection, and I have a fabric piece layered on top, and I can't remember now off the top of my head if 2021 or 2022 is black or red. I have both sets, but I have one of those layered on top because it kind of helps bring in like the cream color. I have a die cut flag here that's from an old set. This says piece, but it helps just bring in another color of green. And then I have a chipboard. This is a really old one, just kind of help tie these 2 together. And when I take it away, I realize how well that really works. It also helps bring some weight over as well. So the only thing I really need to do is to attach all of this down. I still want to add some of these puppy stickers that I have of cats. These are from Hobby Lobby. So this one's of a tuxedo cat. It's kind of Christmassy themed, I know. But I never have anywhere else to put these. And then I thought maybe I would pick one more kind of Christmassy themed one here, or maybe kind of wintry themed. I was kind of thinking of one of these of a calico with a scarf maybe would be really cute. Maybe this one to kind of just help fill in a couple more spaces, maybe a cat here and a cat here or here. I'm not sure exactly. So basically what I'm going to do is just get everything glued down, and that's pretty much the page. So just wanted to share that with you and kind of just talk about my process, and literally spent days when I had free time trying to figure this out. because it just wasn't working, and I knew that if I just kind of kept playing around and building, it would eventually work out. So I will pretty much just show you the photos at the end of how everything comes out in case I change anything, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're inspired to keep working on your December daily if you are behind a little bit like me. Okay friends, I am all done. This page I actually did a cheater, and I actually saved some of it so I can use it again if I need to. So I just used some strips and mounted it to some regular white cardstock. Added some gold stars from the 2021 star mini kit. I bought extras, love these gold stars, but I used them to kind of fill in, and then I added one over here just to make sure it had some on the other side. Ended up using these two little guys. They're just so cute, and I really like how this is like all filled in, but it feels balanced. Love the pops of red over here and how it still feels like the rest of the album. So really happy with this. I just love it, and it was fun to play with all the product. These I ended up popping up on foam squares, these three, and then this one's still flat. And then I also popped this up on foam squares just so that it felt like it was kind of the same dimension as the other thicker products over here. So this page is a little fat because these are kind of thick and this is thick, but I'm going for it because I only have a few pages left in the album. So just really happy with how this came out. Bye for now.